Hey everybody, so this is another brake part video for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. I don't remember if this is the third or second or third one. I'm not too sure. I'll have to put it in the video name. But we're going to check out what I got in the mail today. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is a package that I got from Wheeler Off-Road, or Wheelers Off-Road. Pull everything out. They sent me a couple stickers. Wasn't expecting stickers. So here is the rear brake line for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. It is braided stainless with a red style coating on the outside to help protect the stainless. This is for the rear, and then these are for the front. They are very, very nice. So we're going to be, when we do the brake install, I'm going to be installing these. So the whole system's going to be open. Couple nice stickers. That was nice of them to send me some stickers. I found these for my vehicle on Toyota4runner.org or T4R.org. The rear was $34.75 and the front was $58. They gave me a 4-member discount, which was $4.66 discounted for letting them know that I found them through Toyota4runner.org. Shipping was $16 and they took $6 off the shipping. So they took a total of $10.66 off of my complete order, which was nice of them, which made it $98.59 instead of the $113, or it was like $115 or something like that. There's a little note in here. For the female fittings that have 2 clip grooves, you need to install the supplied C-clip in the inside groove, and the factory clip is used on the outside groove. Other than that, they install as a factory line. So they give you a little bit of information. So just a quick little video. I will make sure that I name the video properly. I'll go through my other videos and which haven't been posted to you guys yet. I have them scheduled throughout the week. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll be doing some more of these brake part videos soon. I'm supposed to get the other ones on, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday, which will be the complete front caliper and rotors and the complete rear drums and brakes and everything. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Yeah.